Next divisibility is divisibility by 3. It is given in the textbook. If the sum of the digit is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. What does it mean? If any number is given to us, suppose 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if we will take the sum of the digits, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6, the answer will come 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3, therefore the whole number 456 will be divisible by 3. One more example we will consider. 9,000, 7,600 and 62. 7,662. What we will do here? We will take the addition of these digits. 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2. Answer will come 7 plus 6 13 plus 6 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. Now 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number 7,662 will be divisible by 3. Okay, this is what the divisibility by 3. Next is divisibility by 6. Now, it is very simple. If any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then those numbers will be divisible by 6. We will consider the same examples here. Now, if we will consider 456, it is having 6 at its ones place, therefore it will be divisible by 2, and the sum of the digits will come 4 plus 5 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, therefore it will be divisible by 3. Hence, the number 456 will be divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Why? Because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay. Now the second example, the same we have considered. It is having 2 at its ones place, therefore it will be divisible by 2, and the sum will come 21. I will write here, sum of digits is equal to 21. Therefore it will be divisible by 3. Therefore the number 7,662 will be divisible by 6. Why? Because it is divisible by both 2 and 3, therefore it will be divisible by 6. Clear? Now the next is divisibility by 4. For the divisibility of 4, what we have to do? We have to consider the number which is of minimum 3 digit. It is given in the textbook. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits, that is 1 sentence place, is divisible by 4. Okay, we will consider example. Suppose here 1024. Right? Now if we will consider last 2 digits, this is ones place and second tens place. I will write here last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Then, okay, as I have taken here the example 1024. Here the last 2 digits are 24. They are divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Therefore, the whole number 1024 will be, I will write here, therefore 1024 will be divisible by 4. Okay. One more example we will consider here. Okay. What are the next example is, suppose 8,064. 864. Okay, last two digits of this number is 64. So we will divide 64 by 4. We will check whether this 64 is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 2 remainder is 2. We will take carry 4. Again 4 4s are 16, 4 5s and 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 24 remainder will be 0. Therefore 64 is divisible by 4 because remainder is 0. Therefore the number 864 will be divisible by 4. Okay, 864 will divisible by 4. Okay, this is what the divisibility by 4. So we have completed the divisibility test of 10, 5, 2, 3, 6 and 4. Okay, now the next is